welcome to my channel. My name is Tanya. I am a wife and a stay-at-home mother of 4. Today is Thursday and I'm going to bring you a little bit of motivational cleaning. Today I'm going to be vacuuming on my couch and cleaning the glass in our dining room area table. I hope this video motivates you to get up and get whatever you need to get done. So we're just going to jump right on into the video. I'm starting off with the couch. I happen to love to clean the couch. I don't know, it's just something so soothing about cleaning the couch. I love it. Welcome back, all my returning subscribers and my new ones or newies that are new to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are enjoying yourself. If you are, please leave a like and a comment so we can get to know each other. Onto the dining room table. My table, the glass pulls out, and underneath it was a disaster. Okay, it had crumbs, glitter from art projects. It was a hot mess, y'all. Be cleaning the table with this glass cleaner and this multi-purpose cleaner. So much glitter, I had to grab the vacuum. But anyway, are you still cleaning? Are you still with me? Come on, keep going. You can do it. You can do it. Let's get this done, honey. Good morning, happy Friday. We have made it through the week, guys. Okay, we made it. So last night I let my 3-year-old play till his heart was content, honey, because today I am going to be bleaching his toys, mainly the ones that he plays with the most. So I'm gonna grab all the toys that he loves the most and get them going because I know he's gonna be asking for these toys. So last night I vacuumed out the vent and it left it kind of dusty, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a good wipe down. I'm gonna clean out the toy bins, rinse off all the toys. I use a little bit of bleach and hot water and Dawn soap to clean the toys, and then I'm just gonna let them air dry. Hey guys, what part of your house do you feel like you are just cleaning the most? Comment down below. I feel like I am always in the kitchen and the play area, like I cannot get away from it. I'm gonna go ahead and throw those flushy toys in the wash machine, pick up all the dry toys and put them away, and I am gonna call today cleaning day a day. Okay, it's a wrap. I am so tired of toys. Good morning. It is super duper early in the morning. I am a night owl, okay? I was tidying up my room because I knew I was going to be filming later on that day. If you are a night owl too, leave a comment down below.
Storm, 'cause I need to be swept away, swept away.
Now it is time to tackle the boys' room. Oh my goodness, it is a hot mess in here, okay? If you are still watching, if you're still cleaning along with me, please leave a comment down below. Let me know where you're from and give this video a big thumbs up, hit the like button if you are enjoying yourself so far. It is so empty in here, you guys. We recently moved to Virginia back when COVID happened, and because of all that craziness and our things being in storage, it has been a hassle to get everything during this time. But I will be bringing you some decorating videos, so please make sure you hit the bell so you will not miss out.
Call me please. I folded every thought like a razor.
These walls, oh my goodness, I was using a magic eraser for the scuff marks from the table that my son uses as a desk. If you guys know any suggestions on scuff marks on paint, please let me know, because I don't know what type of paint this is, but it's a hassle to clean. If you are cleaning along with me, come on girl, come on, we're almost there. You can do it, you can do it. If you are watching this far, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment down below if you are enjoying yourself, and make sure you hit the like button. I upload every Sunday. I'm gonna stop talking and let you enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you in my next one.